Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about how GoHighLevel improves your sales funnel conversions and help you to get more leads and sales. If you have ever wondered how to make your online business work better and turn more visitors into customers, then this video is for you. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, make sure to check the link in the description to get the special offer on GoHighLevel, the 30 days free trial link instead of the 14 days, and some live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So grab the deal from the description and let's get back to the video. So basically, GoHighLevel is a tool that helps businesses to manage their sales funnel, automate follow-up, and connect with lead in one place. You can imagine you have people visiting your website or social media. You want to guide them to buy your product or service. Normally it can be difficult to keep track of everyone and send the right message to the right person at the right time, and that's where GoHighLevel comes in. With GoHighLevel you can create automated emails, text messages, and even the voice calls that reach your leads without doing anything in manually. This means people are more likely to stay interested in your offer and move through your sales funnel. It also helps you to see exactly where people drop off in the funnel so you can fix those areas and improve the conversions. Another great thing about GoHighLevel is that it combines many tools in one platform. You don't need separate software for email marketing, SMS, or appointment scheduling. Everything is connected, which saves time and makes your sales process smoother. So for beginners, this is really helpful because you can focus more on growing your business instead of juggling different tools. Also, GoHighLevel allows you to track the results easily. You can see how many people opened your emails, how many people clicked your link or booked the appointments. Now, this data is very important because this shows you what is working and what needs to improvement. When you use the information to make small changes, your sales funnel becomes stronger and you can convert more leads into customers. Overall, if you want to save time, stay organized, and improve your sales funnel conversions, then GoHighLevel is a really useful tool. Even if you are just starting, it makes automation simple and help you to focus on the most important part, like growing your business. So you can use the GoHighLevel to do that for your business. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to like this video and subscribe the Easy Access Tech. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.